Hey, what's going on? Welcome into For the Low. Today I've got this Sony 5-disc DVD player to show you. The model number of it is DVP-NC615. It's a pretty standard 5-disc DVD player. On the rear panel you've got three ways to hook it up. You could either do composite, S-video, or component. Component would be your best option if you want the best picture. And then you've also got digital audio output and analog output. So when you hook it up, just plug in the power, and then after you plug in the power, you just have to match up the colors of the component cable if that's what you choose to use. And then you'll want to take your audio cable and match up the colors to the audio output. And then once all of that is set up, you'll be able to get playback to your TV just fine, as long as you're on the right input. Then right here you've got your eject button. And you can load up to 5 discs. And then you've got all your functions on the remote. You've got your menu buttons, your play and your stop buttons, your disc skip button, as well as the open and close button. Right here you've got your play, your stop, and your pause button. Then you've got your skip button. And then you've got an exchange button right here. If you push that, you can change the other 4 discs while one is playing. And then you've got your disc select buttons right here. And then you've got a couple other buttons right here. Picture mode, surround, and that last button is load. That's pretty much it. You can play back 5 DVDs straight through without getting up and changing any of them. It's really convenient. But also, quick fun fact for you. Did you know that Sony and Philips introduced the DVD in 1995? Well, now you know. If you want to order one of these, you can check out our online store or give us a call.